In this video, we'll learn how to work the lifted left increase. The lifted left increase is a one-stitch increase that leads to the left. To work the lifted left increase, insert the left needle from back to front into the stitch 2 rows below the last stitch worked on the right needle. Insert the right needle into the back loop of the lifted stitch and knit it. Let's go over that twice more. Insert the left needle from back to front into the stitch 2 rows below the stitch just worked on the right needle. Insert the right needle from front to back through the back loop and knit it. Let's go over that one more time. Insert the left needle from back to front into the stitch 2 rows below the last stitch worked on the right needle and knit it through the back loop. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like new tutorials delivered directly to your inbox, sign up for our newsletter at knit.tips/news.